In 2024, the print-on-demand industry is booming, offering countless opportunities for entrepreneurs but also presenting a challenge with increasing competition. Have you ever wondered how you can stand out in a crowded market and actually profit from your creativity? Stick around as we dive into unique Etsy store ideas that promise low competition and high returns. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider, wisdom for wealth builders. Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explore how you can launch a successful print-on-demand shop on Etsy in 2024. Starting a print-on-demand shop is one of the best side hustles you can choose. This industry is expected to grow a lot in the next year, making it a great time to start. However, there's also more competition than ever, especially on platforms like Etsy. This means it's crucial to find unique ways to stand out from the crowd. We'll share some exciting Etsy store ideas that face little competition. These aren't just ordinary ideas. They're special ones that can help you carve out your own space in the market. Whether you're looking to sell popular items like t-shirts and mugs or want something more unique, we have great suggestions for you. The print-on-demand industry is booming and it's set to expand significantly within the next year. As it grows, personalized products are becoming more popular. Customers love items that feel special and made just for them, like custom blankets or t-shirts. This trend towards personalization is not just about adding someone's name to a product. It's about creating something that can't be found anywhere else. By focusing on unique, tailored items, you can attract more customers who are looking for something extra special for occasions like birthdays or holidays. This move towards unique and personalized items opens up new opportunities for anyone ready to start their own business in this expanding market. It's all about offering something different that will catch the eye of shoppers looking for that perfect, personalized gift. Now that we understand the growing opportunities and the importance of unique offerings in the print-on-demand industry, let's explore some specific Etsy store ideas that can help you stand out. These ideas focus on niche markets with less competition and high customer interest. Personalized blankets. Personalized blankets are a fantastic product to sell. People love giving gifts that feel special and personal. Blankets customized with names or special messages make great presents for birthdays, holidays, and other special occasions. By creating unique designs and personal touches, you can attract customers looking for something more special than a standard blanket. This niche is not only about comfort, but also about giving a personal touch that customers cherish. Eco-friendly products. As more people become aware of environmental issues, eco-friendly products are becoming increasingly popular. Items like biodegradable phone cases and recycled material t-shirts appeal to customers who want to make responsible choices. Starting an Etsy shop that focuses on environmentally friendly products can set you apart. Highlighting the sustainability of your items can attract customers who are passionate about protecting the planet. This is a growing trend that shows no signs of slowing down, providing a great opportunity for a profitable business that also contributes to environmental well-being. Mommy and Me apparel. Matching Mommy and Me outfits are a sweet trend in the apparel market. This niche involves creating coordinated sets of clothing for parents and their children. It's less crowded than other clothing markets and offers a unique selling point. Parents love buying cute, matching outfits for special photos or everyday wear. Offering these matching sets can attract parents looking for unique and adorable clothing options for their families. It's a wonderful way to create memorable products that customers will love to share and wear together. Niche candle shop. Candles have always been a popular product, but niche candles take this to the next level. You can create candles with specific themes like Book Lover's Candle or Holiday Spirit Candle. By offering candles that are not just about the scent but also about the theme, you can cater to specific interests and passions. Personalized candles where customers can choose the scent or add a personalized message can also be a big hit. This creates a unique shopping experience and a product that is tailor-made for the customer. Straw tumbler shop. Straw tumblers are trendy for their convenience and style. Starting a shop that sells custom straw tumblers can capture the attention of customers who want to stay hydrated in style. By offering customization options like adding names or unique designs, you can appeal to a broad audience, from students who carry water to class to professionals who need a drink at their desk. Focusing on the single product allows you to perfect your offerings and stand out in a market filled with generic alternatives. Moving on to seasonal and high-demand products, one great idea is to create a shop that specializes in matching family pajama sets. This product is especially popular during the holiday season, but you can sell it throughout the year for other special occasions like family reunions or theme parties. By offering personalized options where families can add their names or choose unique designs, you make your shop stand out. Matching pajamas are not just clothing. They're about creating memorable family moments, making them a highly sought-after product during gift-giving seasons. Focusing early in the year on building your selection can set up for huge success by the time Q4 arrives. Now let's talk about partnering with a production service like Printify. Using Printify as your manufacturing partner has many benefits. They handle the printing, packing, and shipping of your products, which simplifies the process for you. This allows you to focus on designing and marketing your products without worrying about the production side. Printify offers a wide range of products at competitive prices, which means you can keep your costs low and your profit margins healthy. Plus, their integration with Etsy makes it easy to connect your shop and start selling. Choosing Printify can help ensure that your print-on-demand business operates smoothly and efficiently. Continuing with the setup process, integrating Printify with your Etsy shop is straightforward and can significantly streamline your operations. Here's how to start. First, create accounts on both Etsy and Printify. Then use Printify's platform to link your Etsy shop. This connection allows you to upload your product designs directly to Etsy from Printify. When a customer buys a product, Printify will automatically handle the production and shipping. This setup makes managing your shop easier because you don't need to worry about the inventory or shipping logistics. It's a great way to keep things simple while ensuring your products are professionally made and delivered on time. In conclusion, starting a print-on-demand shop on Etsy in 2024 offers a wonderful opportunity to enter a growing market with unique, personalized products. By focusing on niche products and utilizing efficient services like Printify, you can create a shop that stands out from the competition. Remember, success in this business comes from offering unique products that meet the customer's desires for personalization and quality. Start planning your shop today and take the first step towards a rewarding entrepreneurial journey. What unique product would you love to see in a print-on-demand shop? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.